first to welcome you to Denver, where the local time is 9:39. We hope that you enjoy your time in Denver or wherever your travels may take you. If this is home, welcome home. Please stay comfortable seated until the seatbelt sign is off. You may continue to use and charge your phones and tablets. If you're sitting in the exit row, please do not plug your devices into the outlets. Don't forget to check your seatback pocket to make sure that you have all your belongings. And please be careful when opening the overhead bins. Once we arrive at the gate, our airport team will be more than happy to answer any questions that you might have. Any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 18. Once again, any checked luggage may be retrieved from baggage carousel number 18. Our entire United team is here, and our Star Alliance partners, thank you for choosing to fly with us today. We hope that you enjoyed your flight, and we look forward to seeing you again soon. Once the fasten seatbelt sign has been turned off, please stand clear of the door areas to allow your flight attendants to complete important safety duties.